That's not good, KFC. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at KFC today, so it's lunchtime. I thought I'd come do a quick review because I was popping to KFC anyway. So I bought a lunchbox, a mini fillet lunchbox. Show you there. And that cost me, what did that cost me? $2.99 for a mini fillet lunchbox, which I swear they used to be a lot bigger than that. That looks absolutely tiny. So it's a wood mini fillet, which seen better days. Let's hope it's crispy, and a handful of chips. I'm sure they used to be $1.99. Let's give it a go anyway. Chips. So they've got this new seasoning on. Well, I say new. It's been there a while now. God, that sun's bright, isn't it? Chips are a little bit, they've been there a while. They still got a bit of crispiness. Now, KFC chips used to be the worst chips of all the sort of fast food places. I would say they're some of the better ones. They've got this like chicken salty seasoning on now, which is really good. Really nice actually. Really tasty. A little bit salty, I would say. But they're nice. Let's get into this fillet. Now that already looks dry as hell. Can you see that? There you go. That looks dry as hell already. Break it open. Where is that something? It's dry. It's not hot. For a reddish. KFC, when it's good, but that's not good at all. That is a little bit crispy, to be fair. For $2.99, I don't think it's, wow. Is it worth it? You are getting a mini fillet, I suppose, and some chips. It's not bad value, let's put it that way. If it was hot and it was tasty, not dry, it'd be good. It would be good. But it's not. It's cold. The chips are a little bit stale. The chicken was dry. That's not good, KFC. Not a massive. It's not the best at all. That seasoning is good though. Really tasty seasoning. I think if you can get it when it's hot and fresh, it'd be good. It's better. You feel like you're getting more for your money, I would say. But if it's a little bit cold and a little bit old, it's not. It's a little bit disappointing. That's just my opinion. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, or try to enjoy it, should I say. Thank you for watching. Let me know what your KFC order is in the comments below. If you want me to try anything or go anywhere, try stuff, let me know as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.